Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to enable touch pointer on Android. The first thing you do is open up your settings, scroll all the way down, and you can see about phone. If you've enabled developer option, it will be last option, but if you haven't, you see about phone. Tap on about phone, then you tap on software information, tap on build number. You are now a step away from being developer, so developer mode has been enabled. Next thing you do is you go back and tap on developer options. Now it's on. Next thing you do is keep scrolling down. You can see show tabs, turn it on. So now you can see my tabs are showing. It's as simple as that. That is how to enable touch pointer on Android. Hope you found the video helpful. If you did, like and subscribe to the channel for more.